Hello, welcome to the world of crypto. On our channel, we will teach you an easy, hassle-free and low-risk solution on how to increase your money by 4 to 10 times in a shorter period of time. Well, take a look at the final result of our method. We made more than 9% profit in less than 8 days. With a leverage of 50, you can make about 450% profit in a short period of time. In a very simple and beginner-friendly way, but very practical. Knowing the movements of whales and actors in the crypto world, and of course, the important and precise points that we will talk about later on the channel. And of course, specific exchanges. The first important thing to pay attention to is the sharp movement of this currency, the final profit we made from it, and we left it for you at the beginning of the video. The second important thing is to pay close attention to the saturation of the RSI indicator. In the crypto world, we are looking for such a currency where we can profit from the market whales. Look at the accumulation of candles after a sharp move on different timeframes. Our first target in this trade is based on the accumulation of orders as well as the history of the currency. The best time frame for this type of trade is 4 hours and 15 minutes. A trade may last only 1 hour and we will reach our targets. It depends on the market conditions and that currency. Given the current bull market conditions and the ultimate goal we set in the video, it is not possible to achieve this goal for all cryptocurrencies. However, in a bear market, the currencies we will introduce will see a price drop of up to 70%, which, given our 50% leverage, will bring a profit of about 3,500%. Examples of these cases will be published on the channel soon. Don't be afraid or discouraged by the negative numbers you see in the video, because we enter trades with a certain percentage of money and in our own way. In the following video, enjoy the price movement trend and money-making candles and the bright future that awaits us and you. Pay attention to the important points that we draw or point out to you in the video. Look at them in complete peace. The important point of this method is that it only works on selling positions, shorts. Why? The answer to this question and other important questions that may arise for you. We know all your questions and will answer them all. In the next videos, several videos of this cryptocurrency will be taken, and we will show you soon and explain other points. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and send them to your friends so that they can also earn money.